Hi, Summer. Mora, come here. Look at Summer. Mora. Mora, look at Summer. Slowly. Look at her. Look at the way she's laying down.
It's laying like me.
Yeah.
It's laying like
Summer, you are a silly girl.
her's laying like people do.
Yeah. You are funny, Summer. You are so funny. Do you want me to rub you? Aww. Aww.
Zimmer's like a baby.
Yeah, he ran out of food, so we need to give her maybe bread or
I mean, he likes cheese.
yeah, she's a girl, right?
Yeah.
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 She likes.
Look, he's falling asleep.
Oh, she's falling asleep because I'm rubbing her belly. Oh, we are friends. Summer. 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 High five, Summer. High five. High five.
Zimmer's like a baby in a bed.
Yeah. Do you want to read her a book?
Huh?
Do you want her to show a book? Remember yesterday you were reading her a book?
Okay.
Just show her a picture while she's laying down.
No, can you read me these two?
You want to read a book? Okay,
Yeah,
I will read.
first I'm gonna get that rule.
Okay. Hey, Summer. Summer. Summer.
When are you gonna read the book?
No.
Are you gonna
I'll just
read
turn
the
it
book?
off. I'll just turn this off. Summer, say hi. Summer. Silly Summer.